Is the camera?
How do we get up there?
The camera's on.
Hi.
You're not looking. No, you're looking.
Let's go.
Good luck.
How do we get up there?
We're going.
We're going.
Okay, so here we go.
We're going up
This
there.
is a setup.
No, it's
All
not. There's
going.
nobody in it. Just dead birds.
Allie, what do you think's gonna happen when we get up there?
I swear to God, if there's a spider up there.
I'm gonna put this around my wrist in case I get scared and drop it. This is the Blair Witch Project right now, and it's gonna be like. We're really scared. I'm not scared.
I'm nervous. I don't like bugs.
You don't like bugs?
No.
I have a question. Do you think you're gonna make it all the way to the top?
I know I'll make it to the top.
What about you, Amy? Are you gonna make it to the top? Do you think you're gonna make it to the top?
No.
It's so shady.
Okay, make sure you get a picture of this lock. Do you see the lock?
I can't see anything.
It's locked for a reason. It's locked?
Whoa.
Oh my God, there's feathers here.
Oh my God, the feathers!
Seriously, guys, this footage, if we all got killed up here, would be priceless. Is this a bird?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, we got one.
That one looks recent.
That looks like the least recent dead thing I've ever seen.
Oh my God, this thing is so freaky.
It's getting worse and worse as I'm serious. I'm nervous.
How you doing up there?
Oh! Oh, that is a big spider.
Just be careful where you're stepping.
Can you see the spider? Let's see.
There's a live bird up there.
Look at its hollowed out eye. Ow. There's a live bird.
Yeah, you go up there.
I'm almost dead. Want me to go up there again?
Yeah, you go up there. There's a live bird.
Aren't you scared?
A little bit. That's just unbelievably weird.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
How much trouble would campers be if we found them up here?
Alright, everything up here is like covered with poop.
That sounds,
No.
creepy.
You think I'll be okay?
Yeah.
I like how you're going very slowly, creeping up all that's up there.
Oh my God.
Let me tell you something. It hears you coming.
Does anybody want to hold this ladder?
I will.
I mean, it's kind of gross. There's like tons of bird poop.
There's a mountain lion on top of that. You can totally jump.
I need to take a shower. I'm staying up here.
I need to clean my lungs.
Be careful. There really is a bird or something up there. A live creature.
Did it catch your eyes out?
I'm coming down. It jumps on me.
Did it touch you?
I don't think so. Oh my God.
A grown man screamed like
Why did I have to be the one who screamed? That was so scary. Did you hear it?
I told you, I saw it. But did you not believe me when I said there was
Can we have an interview? A live interview? How was it?
He screamed like a little girl.
Oh my God, it flashed wings.
What
Right
was
by
it?
my head. It was like in my skull for a few
Oh no! Poor Jeremy.
You should videotape other people.
The reaction tape.
I would have fell off.